Hello everyone, I'm gonna talk about my new Type-C 18.1 hub. It's kinda a Type-C multifunction adapter. It has 8 hub inside, so one SS, one PD, one ST, 2 HDMI, one TFE, and 2 USB 3 port. So you can see how you can connect to your notebook or your PC or your mobile phone, and it shows how you can use your hub. So I'm gonna open up and we will see what we have inside it. So the name of the hub is Cakitte, and you can see I just open up the box and it comes with the user manual, so you can check it, and there are explanation how you can use it and in different languages, and also how you can come up with some problems, and there is some QA also inside it in different languages. You can just plug this Type-C to your mobile phone, to your MacBook, or to your PC, and also there are 2 HDMI plugs, so you can plug your computer or your mobile phone to a television or to a projector. It's 4 key, and also there are 2 USB 3 plugs, so you can plug your USB, or you can use those of them for plugging your keyboard and your mouse. And also there is one SS plug and also one PD plug, which is for charging your computer, your MacBook, or your phone. And also there are 2 other plugs, which one of them is TFE and the other one is ST. You need to make sure Type-C plug can work with your computer or your mobile phone. So just I'm gonna plug to my PC, and after that I can just use any of them which your keyboard or your mobile phone may damage, and you can use those 2. It's very useful. Just make sure check your manual and see the QA, and you can just make sure how it works, and it's a useful one. So you can, if I will be a finance nerd, I can just use those 2 HDMIs, have 2 different monitors to check all of the data. So it's very useful. So thank you all for watching my video. See you soon.